Year, everyone!
Happy New Year! Do you know Chinese New Year is coming soon?
Oh, yeah!
Usually in Chinese traditional festival, we can see the lion dance on the New Year show.
Wow, that's so interesting.
How about today we're learning to draw the lion dance?
OMG, that'd be so cool. Guys, let's begin.
Are you ready? We are preparing pencil and eraser and marker and color pencil. Somebody laughing. I don't know what she's laughing about. Okay, so now we draw a half circle here on the top, right? Half circle. I guess I like here. Okay.
Yeah, this is probably a good place to put it.
Half like here. You draw in the middle, okay? Try to draw in the middle. And the arc, the below here, a little bit, right? Like this shape. Connect a little bit. Yep. And now we draw a two circle on both sides, like this way and this way. It's the lion's big eyes here, like here.
It kind of looks like a frog.
Yeah, it is like a frog.
But it's not a frog. It's something
Like
for Chinese
here.
New Year.
Okay, like here. You could you could draw bigger a little bit, okay? Yeah, bigger. Yes, that's cool. Okay. Now we could start to use marker.
Yep.
Okay, the first off, we draw two arcs in the middle of the eye circle, okay? Like from here. So overflowing from the circle, like here. Yep. And here. Here you could see overflowing, right? Okay. And then draw his eyebrows. His eyebrows are very big. A big like clouds with the three arcs. So from here, we draw from here, from the middle. The first arc is large, halfway to the eyes, like here. Look, until here, yes. And the second one's smaller, right? Smaller. Yeah, and third one's smaller. And then connect here.
Connect here.
Okay, the other one. So half. And then second one, and the third one, connect. Okay, great. And now let's draw his eyes. The first, draw a half circle and then connect the tail. Okay. Here, the half circles here. Another one. And here, see. So we connect the tail, like connect here. Yep. And now we draw the pupils in the middle.
Yep.
Yep. Also it's a half circle. And here, half circle.
And we're gonna draw a half circle inside of the half circle.
Yes.
Wow, it looks kind of weird now.
Well, after coloring, it looks great, okay?
Okay.
Okay, the nose is the two small circles. So I'm gonna put like here. We had a balance, okay? And here's one circle, another one.
Now it looks like a pig. Instead of a frog, it looks like a pig now.
Okay, on the nasal tip, is a small decorated circle, like here. Okay. Yep. And here we draw a line like this. There are also the curved lines as a decoration. So from here, look, the shape is like rainbow shape, like this. Okay.
It's so cool.
And now we draw this half circle. We draw a little bit of this, and here at the top. Okay.
Wait. What? Oh.
Okay, now let's draw his corn. It
Horn.
looks like horn, yeah. It looks like a unicorn's horns. It's here. Okay.
I'm tired. Wow, it really does look like a unicorn's horn.
Yep. And next, draw his ears. His ears. So actually, the part of it is, you know, eyes hiding the ears, but draw like here,
Looks
still
like
can
cat
see.
ears.
Yeah, it is like cat ears. And here. Okay. Wow, we are pretty fast actually.
I thought this would be harder or longer.
Now draw the part of his mouth. It's an arc with the sides up. Look here, actually, the same thing. We could draw a little bit, you know, like here. Okay, here connect. Yep. And the mouth this way, right here. Okay. Here connect, like here. Okay, next, draw the cute little rabbit and lift up. We draw the bunny hands right here. Okay.
Wow, it looks like he's like, oh, or he has a mustache. I mean beard. He does have a mustache.
Okay, so I'll draw 2 eyes and here. Bunny's eyes.
Oh no, he's eating bunny. Okay.
Okay, I draw the nose, like between the eyes. Here. Okay. And then a big laugh mouth, like here. Ha ha ha. The tongue. Okay. Like here.
That's scary. It's like, so big.
Okay, the rabbit is dancing, so and I put a both hands lift up. Okay. Okay. Here's the body. Okay, until here. So he's dancing, right? His leg are spread apart. So here and then that. Yeah. Ah, you only use one hand. Okay, so here draw the bunny's belly. Okay. So now draw the part of the lion's cape with the wire trim hanging down on both sides. So we draw from here. Okay.
It kind of looks like the bunny has pretty long hair.
this, just follow this shape. Okay, now draw another side. Okay. Okay, until here. Okay, here.
I made it look like a butterfly.
And then connect the back of the block. So you already did. Here, right? Connect. Okay. What do you think? It's pretty cute, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now it's a coloring time.
Let's begin right.
Oh, I don't remember one thing. The bunny, there's the ears here. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here.
It looks kind of weird because it's right here.
Well, because there's a big head there, right? Now, the ears are hanging down. Okay, let's coloring. We are done.
Yeah,
Da-da-da-da-da.
Yeah, guys, I love it.
Oh, I love it too. Anyway, thank you guys for watching.
Subscribe if you like this video. Comment down below what we should draw next. Bye, guys. See you next time.
Happy New Year.